Hi, I'm Stone Monic, and welcome back to my Animation Basics series. This is lesson 2 in Autodesk Maya. And in this lesson, you're going to learn how the physics behind ease in and ease out work together in order to make a very realistic looking animation. So in this tutorial, you're going to learn how a ball rolls down a ramp, goes across a screen, hits a wall, and then what happens next. This video series is broken into 5 videos, but there's 3 different parts. So there is setup, modeling, and animation. Now in the setup video, you're going to learn how to save your file properly so that your computer knows where to save everything. In the modeling video, you're going to learn how to make your set from scratch, and we're going to go over a few new tools like extrude and insert edge loop. If you've not already done lesson 1, you should check that lesson to know how to do the ball. I'm going to assume you already know how to do that and have you do that on your own. Now in the third part, animation, it's broken into 3 different sections. So there's blocking, splining, and polish. So in the blocking phase is essentially where you're mapping out your animation so you know where the ball is going to go from A, B, C. Now in the splining phase is where we apply more of that ease in, ease out techniques that we learned in the lesson 1. And then we'll learn a little more advanced techniques within the graph editor. And you'll have some time to work on your own. Now in the polish phase is where we tweak the graph editor and your animation so that it's not at a beginner level, but maybe an intermediate to advanced level, depending on how far you want to go. This will take time. Animation is a process, and thank you for joining with me. I'll see you in the next video.